How to fix iMessage signed out on your iPhone. If iMessage is signed out or not working on your iPhone, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix it. Step 1. Restart iMessage 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Messages. 3. Toggle iMessage off, wait a few seconds, and then toggle it back on. 4. You'll see Waiting for activation. Wait for the process to complete. Step 2. Check Send and Receive settings. 1. In the Messages menu, tap on Send and Receive. 2. Ensure your phone number is selected. You can also have an email address selected, but your phone number must be checked for iMessage to work properly. Step 3. Reset network settings. 1. Go back to the main settings menu. 2. Tap on General, scroll to the bottom, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. 3. Choose Reset and then tap Reset Network Settings. This will restore all network settings, Wi-Fi, cellular, etc. to factory defaults, which often resolves iMessage activation issues. Step 4. Restart your iPhone 1. Go back to the main settings menu and tap General. 2. Scroll to the bottom and tap Shutdown. 3. Turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 5. Check for a software update 1. In Settings, tap General and select Software Update. 2. If an update is available, download and install it. When? Updates often fix bugs or glitches that may interfere with iMessage functionality. Step 6. Check Apple's System Status 1. Open a web browser and search for Apple System Status. 2. Visit the official Apple System Status page. 3. Scroll down and look for iMessage. If it says available, Apple's servers are working fine. If it shows an issue or downtime, you'll need to wait for Apple to resolve it. This typically takes 1 to 3 hours. Once you've followed these steps, iMessage should be back up and running, allowing you to send and receive texts without issues. I hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.